Hey, what's up? Welcome everybody. In this video, we'll deploy our Laravel application using DigitalOcean. So basically, we'll make our e-commerce website project live in this video. So I've documented the process in our website, webdematics.com. So you'll find all the steps that we are going to go through in this video in this documentation. So I'll put the link in description. So first of all, we'll sign up for DigitalOcean. So you can normally go to DigitalOcean website and sign up, or you can use this link to sign up. So this link, all of these links are same. So go to this link. So if you sign up using this link, you will get $10 free credit that you can use. Otherwise, you have to buy $5 and you'll have $5 credit. But if you use this link, you'll have $10 extra credit. So yeah. So enter your email address or just sign up with Google. So after you sign up, you should see your dashboard, which will look something like this. Okay, so when you first go to your dashboard, it will ask you to create a new droplet. So currently I have one droplet already existing, but for now you can ignore all these. So first step is to create a droplet that will be like a normal Ubuntu server. So you can go to create and go to droplets. So you can go from this flow by installing Ubuntu and all this, but so it will one-click apps will save some time. You can install LAMP stack or LEMP with Nginx. So I'll go with LAMP Apache version. So if you select this option, it will already DigitalOcean will install these Apache, MySQL and PHP. And for my project size, this is totally fine. You can choose whatever you like from here. So I won't choose these. So I'm near to this Bangalore, so I'll choose one. And yeah, you can choose adding your SSH key, or if you leave this option, DigitalOcean will email you your root password and username. So you can hit create to create new droplet, but I will add new SSH key. So the content of this key should be, so if you go to your this user folder, and there should be SSH, and here you should have some keys. So if you haven't created any key before, you can use you can create new and then use this public key. So I'll show you how to create one. Just open up your terminal. So here you can run ssh-keygen command, and it will ask you to enter file name. So this will be by default. Just hit enter twice and it will create that file. That's it. Okay, so after that you can copy that content from your SSH folder. So just go to .ssh folder, just open up it with notepad and just control A, copy into this. Okay, so you can give any name, primary. So yeah, it will tick if everything goes right. So add SSH key, there we go. So you can alter this name as you like. I'll call it YouTube and hit create. So it will behind the scenes at all. So this will show the status. Alright, so it got installed, and you can click on this and it will show more detail. So this will be the address where it is live. So currently it is live. So if you go to this address, yeah, so it is the page inside our server that we can configure. So let's log in to this droplet. Just copy it, go to your terminal and then we'll use SSH key. So SSH, and the root will be the username by default. You can change this username. We'll deal with it later. Type yes. Yeah, so we are in. Let's clear up. So this is our typical Ubuntu server. We can go to any location like cd into var www and html. So now we are inside HTML. If I show the content, so there are two files, index.html and info. So if I change index.html, so you can see there are the content. You can change the content like, so we'll say welcome web dev and escape :wq to save and exit. And now if we go to our IP address, yeah, we can see that. Okay, so you can verify it got Apache 2 or not, or SQL, so it will show everything. So PSP-v. So currently it got PSP 7, but if you are using, if your project got Laravel version more than 5.5, you need to install PSP 7.1 or 7.2. So let's install PSP 7.2. So again, I've documented this process. You can copy from here. So first we'll update our Ubuntu. So apt-get update, apt-get upgrade. So say yes. So I'll just go with no configuration. So I'll go with default option. Okay. Alright, so after that is done, we need to add some repositories so that we can pull in PSP 7.2. Say yes. So after that, add repositories, enter. Okay, once that is done, then we need to do apt get update, and after that we can do apt get install PSP 7.2. yes. Okay, so let's clear up console and see PSP version. Yeah, so currently this is active, so yeah, we successfully installed. But this only installed PSP, but for Laravel we need different extensions. So you can find what you need to install in this. So again, this link will be in description. So we can copy this into our terminal and hit enter. Yes. So currently, remember, we are inside the DigitalOcean server, not on our local computer. Okay, that's also finished. Now we need to install the project from GitHub. So first let's go to our var www HTML. So this will be the folder where we'll be installing our project. Let's dump. Currently we got two files. Let's remove these, rm and star. So hit enter, ls, so it is cleared. Now here we'll clone our repositories from GitHub. So let's go to GitHub and e-commerce website. So this is like normal cloning, so we'll use this clone. So run git clone and then copy paste that. So as you can see, I cannot establish connection with that. The reason being we do not have any SSH key set up in our server. So you can use HTTPS, copy that. Actually we need to do git clone and then paste HTTPS link. Yeah, so we are done. So if you want to do SSH, want to use SSH key, the process is same in local and in web server. You can run SSH keygen command here. So previously we have run on our local machine, now on server. So it will create same thing inside .ssh. Alright, so you can go to cd into .ssh. Okay, so let's yeah, so there is ecom folder. Let's cd into ecom ls. So we got typical Laravel project. Let me make it slightly bigger so that you can see. Okay, so we got typical Laravel project setup. Now the steps are same. We need to we need to do composer install. Yeah, so it says composer not found, so you can run this command apt install composer. Yes. Okay, so composer install, you can verify by running composer command. There we go. So just run composer install. Okay, composer install done. Now we need to do configure .env, but for that we need to create one. So copy .env.example into .env. Okay, so now let's configure .env file. You can use vim for that. First you can copy this to some secure location. Go to cat.digital ocean password. So just copy it from here and save to some location. I've saved it here. Let's open up .env file and go to insert mode I with hitting I and configure these options. So database name ecom, username root, password is just this, and then hit escape colon wq, enter. Alright, so .env is also set up, and now we can migrate. php artisan migrate. Alright, migration success. Now php artisan key generate. Okay, key generated. So now let's try to visit our new droplet. Copy. Okay, we are already there. Alright, so we get something like this, ecom, and if you go to public, permission denied. So the reason why it said that is we need to give the permission to storage folder so list to this command in description, you can go there. So just do this. and now refresh. Yeah, there we go, we can see our website. So currently we need to type all this ecom, and if you go to search it doesn't work. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to configure Apache. So to do that, let's first cd into etc Apache, and if you hit tab it auto completes. So just open up a file named, so first we need to also go sites available, and then we need to go to 000 default dot configure. Alright, so here we need to modify a bit on insert mode. So currently the document root is /html, but there is ecom/public, so it should go to that. Similarly here as well, html ecom/public. There we go. So hit escape, :wq. There we go, clear up the console. And since we changed the Apache, we need to restart it. Let's restart it with sudo service apache restart. While copy pasting, I always keep pasting wrong code. Alright, so restart it. Now let's go to the normal URL. Yeah, so we see this. We can looks like this link is broken. Oh, okay, currently if we try to visit any other URL, looks like it is broken. So to solve that, what we'll do is, okay, let's try enabling this rewrite mode. Now let's restart the service Apache 2 restart. Alright, restart it, and now let's visit. There we go. So also what you can do is you can redirect this. So if you buy domain name, you can go to the names, the domain name provider. So in my case here is one. So if I edit DNS, here I need to put these ns1.digitalocean.com, ns2.digitalocean.com, and just save that. So this is the part where from where you bought domain name, you should do that. And in your DigitalOcean dashboard, what you can do to use custom domain name is, okay, on your dashboard what you can do is just go to this main dashboard view, and this is your droplet. If you go here and then add domain, so here just enter the domain name something.com or the website that we used, ubuntu.com.np. just add domain. Currently it is already included with that, so I'll add other domain. So enter at and the name of the droplet that this point to. So this is the YouTube one that I just created, and then create record, and on cname just enter www, so that www version will also point to at. Alright, so create record. So these two steps should be done. So this domain name provider will take some time to take effect, so I cannot show you at the moment, but if I go to this website, it should it should show the e-commerce website. So if you see console, you will notice that there is one error that says this not found. So currently the app.js is not found, so that our also due to that our view is not working. We cannot see cart here. So so it looks like we need to run npm to compile all file and create the app.js. So to run npm command, we need to install node.js first. So to install node.js, you can go to nodejs.org, and in download section here install node.js via package manager, and here just Debian and Ubuntu based Linux distros. And here first you need to add this curl command, just add that, enter. Okay, that's done. And after that just run this command to pull in node.js. Okay, so that's it. You can verify that by node-v. So we got this, and we also got npm. There we go. So now let's go to root. Yeah, so now let's npm run prod, so that will create a compile all file and create the production. Alright, so before that we need to run npm install, because we do not have all dependencies pulled in that are in package.json. Alright, so once npm install is done, now you can run npm run prod, for short form for production. So it will compile all files and minify that. Alright, so that is done. Now let's visit our page again. Yeah, so this time we can see cart also. The Vue.js is also working. Alright, so this is how we make our Laravel application live. So hope you learned something out of this video. So if you do, please hit like and subscribe, and if there is anything that you want to know, you can ask on comment section or give some feedback. Also visit webdevmatics.com for all this process. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.